Hello viewer, this is Muhammad Kalim. Run Air Cristiano Ronaldo's private jet grounded at Manchester Airport after crack is discovered in window. The Fury icon dropped a whooping pound 61 million on the luxury plane last year. Cristiano Ronaldo's multi-million pound private jet is stranded at Manchester Airport after the discovery of technical issue. The five-time Ballon d'Or winner's pound 61 million Bombardier Global Express 6500 jet touched down in the Manchester on Friday and sent 40 fans into frenzy. The reason for its arrival in Manchester is currently unknown and still being debated by 40 fans, but the luxury airport won't be going anywhere anytime soon as it was spotted with a crack in one of its windows. Engineers discovered the matte black jet which has an image of Ronaldo's shoe celebration on it and his CR7 logo had the issue while giving it once or it won't be permitted to leave the airport until the crack has been repaired. It's understood engineers are currently waiting for the replacement part to be shipped. The stunning airliner was spotted next to the aircraft. Manchester City took to Madrid for the second leg of their Champions League last 16 qualifier against Real Madrid on Wednesday. Ronaldo 40 reported splashed the cash on his luxury airliner last year. It's not known if Ronaldo was on board the plane when it arrived in Manchester, where he spent several trophy-laden years across two stands with Manchester United. As arguably the greatest player of all time, Cristiano Ronaldo lived a life befitting such a superstar. Ron loves a fast motor almost as much as scoring goals with his vast car collection, including one costing pound 9 million. Upon moving to Saudi, Ronaldo moved into luxury skyscraper hotel before swapping it for an Arabian mansion. As a globe betrayer, Ronaldo likes to travel in style, like on board this luxury private jet. Behind every great man is a great woman. Ronaldo has one in partner Georgina Rodriguez. Georgina opened up on the moment they first met when she was working as a shop girl, saying it was love at first sight. Before meeting Georgina, Ronaldo dated some of the world's hottest women, and including Kim Kardashian and Irina Shayk. No, it's all about the family with the Ronaldo's offspring now capable of making up a five-side team. Ronaldo is very well paid on the pitch, but he makes a ton of money of it too, with endorsement deals ranging from KFC to his own range of underpants. He is also a prolific investor and owns a string of hotels. He is currently building a holiday resort in the Red Sea, which has been dubbed a new paradise. Ronaldo gives back too, which is one of the reasons he doesn't have any tattoos. He's highly dedicated. A look inside his health and fitness regime shows that dedication saw him transform from a weedy teen to hugging Adonis. Had here to read more on Cristiano Ronaldo. He was in action for Al Nassr the evening before in their 3-2 win over Al Ahly. Ronaldo first joined United in 2003, staying until 2009 when he made a blockbuster switch to Real Madrid. He made an emotional return to Old Trafford for a short stint between 2021 and 2022, which ended after his explosive interview with Sun columnist Piers Morgan. The footy icon and his Al Nassr teammates will return to the pitch on Friday, welcoming Al Ittihad to the Prince Faisal bin Fahad Stadium. Cristiano Ronaldo's pawned 61 million plane is stuck in Manchester CR7's private jet stranded in England due to cracked window amid rumors of surprise Man United return. Cristiano Ronaldo's multi-million pound private jet is currently stuck at Manchester Airport due to a cracked window. The Portuguese superstars pawned $61 million, 76 million Bombardier Global Express 6500 private jet was spotted touching down in Manchester last week, although it wasn't clear if the 40-year-old was on board. However, it's now emerged that plane is still at the airport due to crack in one of its windows, which means it will not be flying anywhere until repairs have been carried out, as reported by The Sun. The sight of Ronaldo the Jet being back in Manchester had led some fans to speculation on a potential shock return to Old Trafford, particularly with the Red Devils struggling badly for goals. Ruben Amorim's side sit down in 15th place in the table and have managed just 28 goals in 25 Premier League games. Only Ipswich Town and Southampton have scored fewer goals in the English top flight so far this season than the misfiring Red Devils. Ronaldo, meanwhile, continues to bang in the goals at the grand old age of 40. The Portuguese superstar tops the goal-scoring charts in the Saudi Pro League so far this season and is in a rich vein of form, having netted 7 in his last 6 in all competitions for Al Nassr. Ronaldo will aim to add to his tally on Friday when Al Nassr face Al Ittifaq, while Manchester United's next game is against Everton at Goodison Park on Saturday. Cristiano Ronaldo's special gesture earns Benny McCarthy's gratitude. Manchester United ex-coach declared Cristiano Ronaldo the greatest player of all time. Benny McCarthy praised Cristiano Ronaldo and revealed the secret reason for which he will forever remain grateful to him. According to the Mirror, the former Manchester United coach, who worked with CR7 during his time in the club, declared him the greatest of all times and slammed the youngsters of the club for not taking full advantage of his regime, his methods, and his approach to staying as sharp and in shape as he is. At the launch of Jaffer of all Akaz, he told Lad Brooks, "You know that It was brilliant working with Cristiano Ronaldo. It was brilliant because you have got a guy who knows football inside out. He became the greatest player of all time in my view. I don't speak for everyone else, so it was genuinely so nice to just to see the drive and determination he still had at his age. Especially compared to the younger players around him, he added. He also revealed that the five-time Ballon d'Or winner always trained well and backed him as the young players and told them, take note because Benny knows what he's talking about. McCarthy expressed so ill. I'll forever be grateful for him for backing him in that sense because I it got all the younger players on board. He was the one that gave that stamp of approval when we worked in training, when we were doing finishing drills and just working on our depth in front of goal. And I got the stamp of approval from him about the things that we were doing. Furthermore, Ronaldo worked with McCarthy during his second tenure 2021 to 2022 with Manchester United. Before that, he represented the club for 6 years from 2003 to 2009. Casemiro makes his choice clear in Lionel Messi versus Cristiano Ronaldo debate. I needed help from Cruz, Modric, Ramos. Casemiro was asked who he thought was better, Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo, and he started praising the former Barcelona star to Manchester United star Casemiro made honest admissions on how difficult it was for him to tackle Lionel Messi, whom he called one of the best players in the history of football. The seasoned midfielder engaged in plenty of on-field battles with Messi during his time at Real Madrid when the Argentine star used to be leading man of the Barcelona side. The two stars locked horns on the field and shared a cordial relationship. Casemiro also played alongside Messi's best rival Cristiano Ronaldo at Real Madrid and Manchester United, and the partnered with Portuguese forward to stop Messi during his Barcelona stint. Recently, Casemiro was asked who he thought was better, Messi or Ronaldo, and he started praising the former Barcelona star. I could never stop him on my own. The United midfielder told Diario S. It was impossible. The prolific midfielder who won historic three back-to-back Champions League titles at Madrid admitted that he needed support from his midfield partners and defender Sergio Ramos to stop him. During his time in European club football, Messi netted 26 goals and provided 14 assists against Real Madrid and helped his team win 20 out of 47 matches. I needed help from Toni Kroos, Luka Modric, Sergio Ramos, but just me impossible. He was unstoppable. It's difficult to explain, he said. Meanwhile, Casemiro said they also had one of the greatest players in football history, Ronaldo, and said the two footballers changed the game. Messi was one of the best players in history, but we had another player, Cristiano Ronaldo, where what they both did is unrealistic. repeatable in many generations. The best were Cristiano Messi. They did a lot for football and they changed it. He added. The Brazilian midfielder compared Messi and Ronaldo's impact on football to Pep Guardiola's, who revolutionized the style of play with tiki-taka. Just like Guardiola changed football with the tiki-taka, these two changed it too. 50 goals a season and it seemed like something normal. Those two players will stay in our memories, he added. Meanwhile, Casemiro is enduring tough times at Manchester United as they have suffered 12 defeats in 25 Premier League games this season and they are currently placed in the 15th spot if things don't get better at United. Then a complete overhaul might be on the card in the next summer transfer window, which may also see Casemiro leaving the club. Sports Ministry revised reward scheme brings coaches under its ambit. Sports Ministry revised reward scheme now includes cash incentives for coaches of medal-winning athletes with specific criteria for each coaching level. What is Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth? Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth is understandably in the stratosphere given that he remains one of the more recognizable popular athletes in the world, known informally as the most beautiful man in the world. The Portuguese star's soccer skills have equaled his good looks. Ronaldo has entertained the soccer fans for the better part of the 2 decades, displaying elite skill to complement an engaging off-the-field persona. His popularity has made him a favorite at the best online sports books too. There have been multiple Ronaldo prop betting markets over the years. Ronaldo's net worth has pushed upward as his relevance in the sports world remains in place. Cristiano Ronaldo net worth. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth is reportedly well above $800 million, and according to Barron's, the soccer superstar joined billionaires club for the first time in 2023. Ronaldo, along with fellow soccer legend Lionel Messi, joined Tiger Woods, LeBron James, boxer Floyd Mayweather, and retired tennis player Roger Federer as first-time billionaires. Michael Jordan has been on the list since 2014. Salary and career earnings. His yearly salary was pegged at averaging a paltry $46 million, but in 2020 he reportedly earned a whopping $70 million in salary alone. In a Forbes profile, Ronaldo was listed as the first active athlete playing a team sport to reach $1 billion in career money earned. On the pitch, Ronaldo played for legendary Manchester United of the English Premier League from 2003 to 2009, then agreed to join Real Madrid where he attained great success in team and individual accomplishments. In 2018, he joined the Italian Juventus and then switched back to Man United in 2021. After a roller career. He moved on in December 2022 to greener, as in money pastures and with Saudi Arabia's Al Nassr. Ronaldo has been honored with FIFA's Player of the Year award 5 times. Endorsements and sponsors. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth is garnished with a mind-numbing amount of money from sponsors and endorsements. In 2020, Ronaldo earned $50 million from partners such as Herbalife, Panini, Altis, Therabody, Binance, and Clear Shampoo. He also has a reportedly $1 billion lifetime deal with Nike. Though the specifics are not known, Ronaldo reportedly accepted a $100 million signing bonus. That's nice. Ronaldo's plate of endorsement is still quite full. Forbes recently put his sponsor deals and endorsements along with his contracts at approximately $90 million per year. Celebrity not net worth pegged Ronaldo's yearly money at approximately $60 million in salary and $40 million in the endorsements. Business ventures. Cristiano Ronaldo has both feet in the business sector as well. He has stakes in companies that specialize in travel, health and fitness, hotels, and more. In 2015, Ronaldo joined with Portugal's Madeira-based Pestana Group, a company with a focus on hotels, leisure, and tourism that opened at an additional hotel chain using Ronaldo's brand CR7. His most recent move in the fall of 2023 landed Ronaldo among investors who now own Cofina, a media company in Portugal. Ronaldo also bought into a company in 2017 that was rebranded 7EGEND. Ronaldo wears the number 7 and executes strategies within the sports world. Ronaldo is no doubt pleased with the 7 EGEND's association with the Portuguese Football Federation as well as firmly established European soccer teams Porto and Valencia. Staying with the number 7, Ronaldo owns several gyms which push his CR7 fitness, crunch health and fitness plans. Conclusion. Cristiano Ronaldo's net worth, similar to that of many top-class athletes, began with his success in sports. As he nears the end of his remarkable playing career, 5-time honored as soccer's best player in the world, Ronaldo remains extremely active in seeking the leading edge of business and partnership. As a newly minted billionaire, a future certainly seems to hold only the brightest prospects. How Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi's sons became pawns in viral betting plug on Avri. The graphics sprang up across social media, some in the yellow and blue of Saudi Arabian team Al Nassr, others in the flamingo pink of MLS side Inter Miami. The course of engagement was hardly new. Messi versus Ronaldo, the forever war of global football. Except this time it was not about Cristiano and Lionel Duopoly. that defined a generation. Instead, it was their sons, Cristiano Jr. and Thiago. The eye-catching post on X came on February 7th from an account that presented itself as Sky Sports Premier League. The caption read, Ronaldo Jr. and Thiago Messi just scored 10 plus goals in their last match, followed by a flames emoji and a head exploding emoji. The two graphics accompanying the post laid out a chain of events. Ronaldo, aged 14 and whose image was used in the graphic, had scored 10 goals in a 10-9 victory for Al Nassr's youth team against Al Ittihad, while in the corresponding graphic, Thiago Messi, aged 12, had scored 11 goals in a 12-0 win for Inter Miami in the Under-13 MLS Cup against Atlanta United. The post threw up curiosities. The post threw up curiosities. The first instinct is natural intrigue or mini Messi and child Cristiano. Really this good? But then the rational side took over. Was any of his actually true? Amid a search on X, Facebook, or Google, the late reader could very much be forgiven for believing the post to have been accurate. Reports followed from mainstream outlets including the Daily Mail, One Football, CNN, Child, and the Spanish newspaper Mundo Deportivo. On Facebook, one of the world's most followed football reporters, Fabrizio Romano, posted an image of the graphic claiming Messi had scored 11 goals with the caption, Thiago Messi cooked. Romano has 22 million followers on Facebook alone and received 245,000 likes on his post. Other major accounts posted similarly, including TNT Sports, which broadcast the Premier League and Champions League in the UK and Ireland, sharing Messi Jr.'s exploits to its 2.1 million following on X and 4.5 million on Instagram. None of these accounts posted images or clips from a game, so there did not appear to be any evidence. The reason for that neither achievement was real. The MLS Under-13 Cup does not exist at that level. MLS youth age groups play in MLS Next, where games are 35 minutes per half, meaning it is also impossible for Messi to have scored in the 76th and 86th, 98th, 89th, 76th, 86th, 89th minutes of the game, as the graphic had suggested.